Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Adediran Peter. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do advanced flash fill, and also I'm going to show you how to use Excel keyboard shortcut to make your flash fill work effectively. Yeah, let's start. Starting from the first row, we're going to pick out the first four figures 1109. So you have done that. As soon as you type the next one 1823, Excel is very intelligent. It understands what you are trying to do, so it suggests it for you. Just press enter. Can you see it works very effectively? So with this one now, let's try another one based on column B. Let's pick out the second figures in each of the rows. Pick out one. As soon as you type 8, 3, can you see it's not working? But there's a way to make this work by using keyboard shortcut Ctrl E. Just select all the way down and press Ctrl E. Excel is confused. Can you see? The reason why Excel is confused is because we have because one started the first row and one also started the second row. So if you can be able to give Excel more clue about what we are trying to do. So the first row is 1, second row is 8. So let's select it together and all the way down and press Ctrl E. Can you see? Excel was able to guess this right. Let's try it again. Since let's put one here, we're trying to get the second figure. Press enter, then 8, press enter. So we have given Excel enough clue. So now Excel will understand what you're trying to do. So do Ctrl E. So Excel gives us the the first two figures. So the next one is, let's try another one. Let's do the third figure, which is 0. So this one we don't need to give the second one. With this, it's enough for Excel to understand what you're trying to do. Just do Ctrl E. Can you see? Excel got us right. So let's delete all this. So let's bring out these characters. Can bring it out. WBB. Excel is intelligent enough to know what you're trying to do. Once we press E for the second row, it gets it right, and that's it. Another way out is to do what? Another way is to use Ctrl E. Just select everything and do Ctrl E. Can you see? It's very effective. We can also add this to it. Excel is still going to understand what you are trying to do. It will still understand what you are trying to do. Okay, it's not going to accept that. So adding this to it is going to still understand what we're trying to do. Let's press Ctrl E. Can you see? It's very, very, very effective. So thank you for watching this video. Take your time to like it and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.